Hi guys, it's time for dinner again. Today we are having a Philly cheesesteak made at home. Let's see how we are gonna prepare this. So you have your meat that you are gonna leave in the freezer for about 30 minutes or an hour so you could be able to slice it very thinly and cut it very in small pieces, and having it semi-frozen is just going to be an easier process for you. Next, for our veggies, I'm using one onion and one green pepper. You want to chop them. And it doesn't matter how you want to chop yours, long or in squares, as long as you chop it however you like. And pretty much this is what you need: onions, green pepper, and your meat. Season your meat with just salt and pepper, and you are ready to start grilling it. You just want to mix it so everything is incorporated. Bring your grill over. I have it at 400 degrees. I'm adding a little bit of ghee. You might use butter, you might use olive oil. I'm just using cow ghee. Once your ghee has melted, go ahead and add your meat. And I'm putting half of it because the other half I'm using it for my onions and the green pepper. And just like the meat, you want to season it a little bit with salt and pepper. Mix it and just let it cook. Once the meat has cooked, remove it aside, put it on a separate plate. And I'm gonna add the other half of the meat that I didn't incorporate in the beginning because I didn't want to overcrowd my grill. I'm still leaving my onions and green pepper because I want them to be well done. If you like them a little bit crunchy, just take them out earlier. Now all my meat is finally cooked. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in the grill, mix it with my veggies, and add cheese on top. Now, right next to the meat and the veggies, I have a piece of bread toasting. And now I'm adding my cheese. The type of cheese you want to use is provolone. I have heard of American cheese, but I personally think the best cheese to use with this is your provolone. So my husband is into cheese a lot. As you guys already know from my previous videos, I'm not big on cheese. I would have definitely have done less than this. So you might add more, you might add less, however you like it. It's your dinner, your meal. You are in charge of it. So pretty much I'm just helping the cheese melt by moving it around. And now I'm actually ready to take my toasted bread and start making my sandwich. You can also add whatever sauce in your bread. Spread it before you add your Philly cheesesteak, but I prefer ours with nothing on it. And this is how it's supposed to look like. I'm gonna go ahead and make one more so you guys could see. Again, I'm just mixing the cheese with the meat, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it inside the sandwich. I cut it in half to show you guys. So cheesy, so meaty, so yummy. Alright guys, I'm finishing up my last sandwich. I hope you guys will give this a try. And this is the final product. I served it with some french fries that I put it on the air fryer. I hope you guys enjoy it. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.